Waxpol 2-in-1 is a paint restorer. It cleans and polishes at the same time. Polish in the shade on a cool, dry and clean surface. Suitable for hand application. Take the polish and apply on the surface. Spread using overlapping circular motion. Fold a fresh cotton cloth. Rub off using medium pressure with overlapping to and fro motion until dry. Use fresh side for each section. Work on small sections at a time. Harder paint or deeper defect will require more precision. Remove dull film, surface dirt, stain and minor scratches with very little effort. Clean and restore your neglected car paint with Waxpol 2-in-1. Give it the extra protection.